Hello boys and girls, today we are going to work on making our poems into visual images. So you had a packet full of poems that you should have read through, and you are going to pick one of those poems for something that you want to recreate or draw. I picked The Ballpoint Penguins by Jack Prulitsky, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that poem to help me figure out what I want to draw. So if I look at the poem, it talks about my penguins being black and white, so I know I'm going to draw my penguins only in black and white. It says they like to write nothing else. So I'm going to have my penguins just writing. I'm not going to have them playing because it says they really like to write. It says how they do not think, they simply write with endless ink. They write of snow, they write of ice, for that is what they seem to know. So I'm going to try to incorporate or include that into my project. It says at times these shy, silent birds will verbally express their words, but mostly they do not recite. They aim their beaks and they write, write, write. So what I'm going to do, and I don't want you to do the same thing as me, so pick another idea or draw it in a different way. I'm going to sketch penguins writing and only writing. So I'm figuring out my sketch, and I'm going to move it onto my final copy, outline it, and of course erase my pencils after I have it drawn. Now that I finished my Slappy copy, remember your Slappy copy is your sketch, your planning of it, I'm going to move on to my final copy. Make sure you write your name on the back, and then you're redrawing what you just drew, and you want to take your time more, you want it to look nicer, and everything doesn't have to be exactly the same, but it should be similar because this is your plan and this is what you're following. I'm going to finish coloring and outlining this, and then I'll show you the finished product in class. Have fun, boys and girls.